Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on an HP M127 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to the printer from your computer, and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you go to make a copy or a scan of that same document, you start getting blemishes or lines, anything like that on your copies, it's going to indicate that there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So on this particular model, depending on if you're using the document feeder or the flatbed scanner, there's actually two separate pieces of scanner glass. So the flatbed scanner is this big pane sheet of glass that's on the top of it, and then whenever you're using the top document feeder, it's actually scanning on this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. So in our case, we're getting most of our problems when we're scanning through the top document feeder. So that's where we want to focus today, is going to be on that little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. In order to clean it, we're going to use a lint-free cloth. Your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol. It works almost as well. And then you're going to apply your cleaner directly to a cloth. You never want to apply the cleaner to the glass. You run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and it can cause a lot more problems. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. Alright. So now we have our cleaner on our cloth. And so we're going to focus on the strip of glass on the left side of the printer. And you're going to be kind of looking out for any kind of ink, whiteout, tape, anything like that that might have stuck to the glass over time. Make sure we get it all cleaned off. And just kind of look it over. Make sure you don't see anything that's still on there. If you do, just go over it one more time. And over here, we'll go ahead and just wipe off the flatbed scanner, just because they're prone for fingerprints and things like that. Okay. Overall, I'm happy with the way that looks. So we can close the scanner. And then I would recommend taking a couple extra copies or scans just to make sure that everything comes out a lot better. If there's still a slight blemish or a slight little lines or anything like that, there's probably just something that's really hard to see on that glass. Just go over it one more time, that should take care of it. But other than that, you should be back up and printing.